Good evening to my respected ma'am. I am currently pursuing my BTech second year in Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology. Myself Anjuman, and today my topic is about dynamic programming in general method, and this is my second assignment. And the main topic is basics of dynamic programming. Dynamic programming is a powerful technique and it is used to solve complex problems by dividing them into simpler subproblems. It is particularly effective by optimization challenges as it minimizes computational time by storing and reusing solutions to overlapping enter problems. This approach is to essential in various needs such as computer science, economics, and operation theaters, and it is also mainly used in operational researches. And the main definition of dynamic programming is it is a systematic method used to solve optimization problems efficiently. It involves breaking down complex problems into simpler overlapping subproblems to find the optimal solution. Here it is of three types: optimization problems, method for solving optimization problems; subproblems, breaks problems into simpler solutions; overlapping subproblems, it erases overlapping subproblems. And key components of dynamic programming are optimal substructure principle, and second is overlapping subproblems concept, and third one is recursive function formulation, and fourth is memorization and tabulation techniques. And steps in dynamic programming which we need to be followed in the problem solving or the step one, defining the problem. So we need to understand the problem structure, how it is given to solve the respective problem. And the second step is identifying base cases. It is mandatory to check the base cases. Here it is used to determine the simplest situations. And the third step is formulate the relation, creating the recursive relation for solving. And the fourth step is implement memorization. Here the memorization implementing is very mandatory to doing the problem because it utilizes the memory to enhance efficiency. And few examples of dynamic programming are efficient calculation using dynamic programming principles like Fibonacci sequence, and optimal solution for packing problems to maximize values just like knapsack problems, and matrix chain multiplication, which is used to optimization technique for efficient matrix problems, and longest common subsequences like finding similarities in subsequences for data comparison. And the last and final thing is we need to find out the advantages of dynamic programming in which it is more useful to do the problems in this dynamic programming method. So here the advantages are it is reduces redundant calculations and efficiency memory usage and solves complex problems systematically, and it also ensures optimal solutions, and this is across scenarios. And the applications of dynamic programming are economics for resource allocation, and computer science and algorithm designs, and also used in biological computation and genomics, and it is also used in operations research for schedulings. And the challenges which are faced in dynamic programming are identifying optimal substructures, so understanding how to break down the problems, and managing large state spaces, dealing with exponential growth in possibilities, complexity in implementation, challenges faced during the debugging, ensuring correct basis cases, setting appropriate starting points for recursion. And the final conclusion of this dynamic programming method, which is which is stated as theoretical and practical applications, essential skill for professionals, simplifies complex solving.